Welcome to another video tutorial in general mathematics. In this video, we will talk about rational equation, inequality, and function. At the end of this video lesson, you should be able to identify if the given is a rational equation, rational inequality, or a rational function. Before we proceed, let us have a short review about polynomials. Identify if the given is a polynomial or not. Number 1, x squared plus 3x. Number 2, square root of x minus 2. Number 3, x raised to 1/2 plus 4x minus 2. Number 4, 5 minus 4x. Number 5, 5 over x plus 1. And number 6, 4x raised to negative 2 minus 8. Start. And here are the answers. Notice that in our answers here, only the numbers 1 and 4 are considered polynomials, while the rest are not a polynomial. Now take note that for an expression to be a polynomial, any variables in the expression must have a whole number of powers. Meaning to say, dapat wala tayong mga variables na nasa loob ng radical sign kagaya nitong number 2. Pangalawa, dapat wala tayong fractional na exponent. Pangatlo, dapat wala tayong variable dito sa ating denominator. At pang-apat, dapat wala tayong negative na exponent. We begin our lesson with defining a rational expression. When we talk about a rational expression, these are expressions that can be described as a ratio or quotient of two polynomials. Ibig sabihin, ito yung klase ng mga expressions na kung saan ang kanyang numerator ay polynomial at ang kanyang denominator ay polynomial. Halimbawa, 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 over x plus 1. Notice that our numerator here is a polynomial and our denominator is also a polynomial. So therefore, we consider this one as a rational expression. Number 2, notice that we have here 2 over x minus 5 and our numerator here is a polynomial and our denominator is also a polynomial. So with that, we also consider this one as a rational expression. For the third item, take note that we have here a variable inside the radical sign. So since we have a variable inside the radical sign, our numerator is not considered a polynomial. Now, since one of them is not a polynomial, then this is not a rational expression. For number 4, x plus 5. Now, notice that we don't have a denominator here, but this is understood that we have a denominator which is 1. And take note that x plus 5 is a polynomial and 1 is also considered as a polynomial. So therefore, we consider this one as a rational expression. So the next term that we're going to define is a rational equation. A rational equation is an equation involving rational expression. Meaning to say, pag meron tayong nakikitang mga equations na kung saan nag-involve ito ng mga rational expressions na kagaya ng ipinakita natin kanina, dali kino-consider natin ang mga ito na rational equation. These are some of the examples. X squared plus 3x equals 2, 2 over x equals 5, and 4x plus 1 over x squared minus 3x plus 4 equals 2 over 3. Now, kung mapapansin natin, lahat sila ay gumagamit ng equality sign at yung nasa left side and right side ng ating equation ay parehong nagpapakita ng rational expressions. That is why, kino-consider natin ang mga ito na rational equation. The third term that we're going to define is the rational inequality. A rational inequality is an inequality involving rational expression. So halos kagaya lang ito ng definition ng ating rational equation kanina. Ang pinagkaiba lang dito, gagamit tayo ng mga inequality sign. So halimbawa ng rational inequalities ay ang mga sumusunod. X squared plus 3x is greater than 2. 2 over x is less than or equal to 5. And 4x plus 1 over x squared minus 3x plus 4 is less than 2 over 3. Now, ang kaibahan lang dito sa nauna nating example kanina, ang ginagamit natin dito ngayon ay ang mga inequality sign. Kagaya ng greater than, less than, at less than or equal. And the last term that we're going to define is a rational function. A rational function is a function of the form f of x is equal to p of x over q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomial functions, and q of x is not a zero function. So, ibig sabihin nito, pag sinabi nating rational function, yung ating numerator at saka yung ating denominator ay parehong polynomial functions at ang ating q of x or yung ating denominator ay hindi siya equal sa 0. Kagaya ng iba pang mga rational expressions, bawal tayong magkaroon ng 0 because that would make our given undefined. Here are some examples. Y is equal to x squared plus 3x. Now remember that y is the same as f of x. Second, f of x is equal to 4x plus 1 over x squared minus 3x plus 4. And number 3, f of x is equal to 2 over x. And for the last part of this video lesson, please try to answer the following. Classify if the following is a rational function, rational inequality, rational equation, or neither of the three. Start. And here are the answers for these questions. Number 1, it's a rational equation. Number 2, rational function. Number 3, rational inequality. Number 4, neither. Number 5, rational equation. And number 6, neither.